Let's learn how you can download and install any apps from GitHub. It's very easy. You're gonna need this app here, Obtainium. To get the Obtainium app on phone, launch your browser and just do a Google search for Obtainium here and click on the first link here, Obtainium. Scroll down here and we're gonna tap on this download universal APK and just download this file. Once you've downloaded it, just install this and you'll get the Obtainium on home screen. Once you've got the Obtainium on home screen, we're gonna launch it. Using this app, I had previously downloaded and installed these two apps. To download and install any app from GitHub, go to Add App section here. Second tab, go to the search field here and write the name of the app that you want to download from GitHub. Suppose Revanced. And tap on search button here. Now uncheck all other sources except GitHub. Once you do that, tap on select. It will search the Revanced manager from GitHub. It will give you a lot of search results, but it's always a better option to pick the first one that's at the top, this one here. And tap on pick option here and tap on add. Here, yes, Revanced manager. Go back. It shows here it's not installed. So we're gonna select the Revanced manager, select it here and tap on this button here, download, continue. It will install now. It's been installed. If you go to home screen, it's here now and you can use it. So you can search, download and install any GitHub apps using this method by going to Add App section and searching any GitHub app from this box here. So like this video and subscribe to this channel.